Most WordPress plugins takes weeks to build. But what if I tell you I created a working WordPress plugin using AI without writing code manually? In this video, I will show you exactly how I used Gemini 3 Pro to build a real WordPress plugin step by step, something you can actually use or sell. So let's get started. So in this video, I am going to build a simple read progress WordPress plugin. This plugin improves the reading experience on a WordPress blog. It automatically shows the estimated reading time at the bottom of every post along with the time left. So the readers always know how much content they have completed. So in order to create the plugin, the first thing we will be needing is an amazing prompt. So I have created a basic prompt over here which describes act as a senior WordPress developer and write a complete single file WordPress plugin named Simple Read Progress with following features. Okay, we can customize the styles as well. Okay, we can customize everything we like. So let's copy the prompt and let's go to Gemini and provide this basic prompt so that it can create a detailed prompt for our plugin. Okay, so let's paste our prompt. Okay, I have pasted our prompt. Okay, let's select the model to thinking model. Okay, we will be using Gemini 3 Pro. Let's submit the prompt and let's wait for some time. It's creating the codes for us. Okay, so we don't need to write any single line of code. Even if you are a beginner, you can simply follow this process. Okay, our plugin code has been successfully written. Okay, we can simply copy this. We need to copy this code and we need to save it as a PHP file. So let's copy the code. Let's go to our computer and let's create a text file over here. Okay, let's name the file to read progress. Okay, let's open it up. Let's paste our code. After that, let's save it. Amazing. So in order to upload the plugin into our WordPress admin dashboard, we will need a PHP file rather than a text file. So let's change our file extension to PHP. Let's open VS Code. Let's select the text file type to PHP. Okay. After that, let's save it. After saving the plugin code, we will need to create a zip file of it so that we can directly upload it into our WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so let's click on add plugin. Let's click on upload plugin. After that, let's choose our plugin file. Here it is, read progress. Let's click open, install now. Okay, so plugin will start installing on our WordPress admin dashboard. Let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, let's click on activate plugin. Great, the plugin has been successfully activated. Let's open a blog post and verify the plugin functionality. Okay, the blog has been opened. I can't see any kind of progress bar or time duration on my blog post. So I introduced the Gemini about the issue and it has written a modified code for me. Okay, let's copy this code and let's modify our plugin file. Okay, I have modified my plugin file. Let's save it. After that, let's create a new zip file out of it. Okay, let's delete the old one. Let's create a new plugin zip file. Okay, let me create a new zip file. Let's upload the new plugin file. After that, let's activate it after installing. Great guys, let's replace the old plugin. Okay, so the new plugin has been successfully activated. Let's view our website. Now it should be working on our page and post both. Okay, so I can see the estimated reading time 1 minute on my home page. Okay, I can see a progress bar on the top. It means the plugin has started working correctly. Okay, we can now verify it on our blog posts as well. So let's go to any blog category. Let's go on film blog category. After that, let's scroll down and open a blog post. Okay, let's open this one. Great. Okay, let's scroll down and see. Yeah, so the progress bar is clearly visible here. It means the plugin is working fine on the blog post as well. Great guys, so we have modified the plugin and it's working perfectly fine. Now I want to show the progress bar at the bottom of the screen. So I have instructed the Gemini and it started writing a new plugin code for us. Okay, I think a progress bar at the bottom side will look more user friendly. So let's copy the plugin code. Okay, let's modify the file again. Great, let's save it, and after that let's create a new zip. Okay, so let's upload the latest plugin. It's a version 3 plugin. Okay, let's upload and replace the old one. Let's click on upload plugin. Let's choose the latest file. Let's click on install now. After that, let's replace the old version of the plugin with the latest one, which is the version 3. Okay. Great. The plugin has been successfully activated. Let's go to our blog post and refresh it. Now this time it started showing at the bottom with a nice pop-up of the time duration left. Great guys. So Gemini has successfully created a nicely functioned and properly programmed WordPress plugin for us, which you can use for your own website. You can use it on your client's website, or you can simply sell it on many marketplaces available on the internet. Let's add a detailed blog post so that we can verify the plugin functionality more closely. Okay, so I am adding a new blog post of 2000 words on it. Okay, let's do it quickly. Okay guys, let's view our blog. Great. So we can see the progress bar more clearly over here. It's showing 7 minutes left. Okay. After that, let's scroll down. It's showing 6 minutes left, and let's scroll down further and it will decrease the time left. Great guys. It means the plugin is working perfectly fine with the timings and the progress bar. It will make your readers stick to the blog. It will increase the overall engagement on your blog, because this time user exactly knows how much time they need to invest on a particular blog post to read this valuable piece of information. Okay, I hope you liked this video so far. If you liked it, make sure to comment on this video and share this valuable knowledge with your family and friends while sharing this video, so that they can start their no-code website development journey using AI. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.